Greetings everyone and welcome to another Jarrison Time informational video. In the following video, we'll be taking a look at the Pay Totals window. The Pay Totals window displays a list of total hours worked by each employee for a period. Once we have opened the system, we'll head over to the icon bar and click on the Pay Totals icon, opening the Pay Totals window. When we open this window, the default display dates will be based on the pay group of the first employee in the employee list. The date range is based on the dates chosen by the allocated pay group of the employee. To edit the data, we can double-click on any employee or total to open the daily summary window for that particular employee for that period displaying. Once we have double-clicked, it will open up the daily summary as seen here, and we can then make any corrections as needed. Once done, we can then close the window, going back to the Pay Totals window. Columns on the Pay Totals window will display according to how they are set from the daily summary. We can click on the column header to sort the list of that column. And once done, by repeat clicking the column header, the order can be toggled between ascending and descending order. Fields from the employee details may be added by right-clicking anywhere in the window and selecting from the list given. Should we want to remove any of these fields, we can just repeat the same steps. At the top left, we have a date navigator allowing us to select the period that we would like to view. Then on the right of that, we have a department, allowing us to select a department should we want to only view that group of employees. We can do this by using the left and right arrows, or by clicking on the All Departments button and selecting from the list that we were provided. Here, we can select one or more departments. And once done with our selection, we can then click Use Selected. This will then give us a multiple department display. Then to return the view to all departments, we can untick the selections made and click on Use Selected again, changing it back to all departments. Then we move to the checkbox just right of that allows us to view a single employee when ticked and multiple employees when unticked. Then moving to the buttons at the bottom right, the first one we have here is Print, allowing us to print the information that we see here. We then have Excel, should we want to push this information into an Excel sheet to work with it at a later stage. And then we have the Date Range button. This button allows us to change the date range seen at the top left. By clicking this button, it will then change the pay group's date range to the next one in the list. As we see, once we've clicked it here, it has now gone to Admin Week, and if we click it again, it will then change it there to Flexi, showing us that every time we click the date range button, it will change the pay group as well as the information seen on the Pay Totals window. As we are done with everything for the Pay Totals window, please note that the key use for this window is during the approval process, and this process will be looked at in another video. We can then click on the Close button and go on working with Jarrison Time. That will be all for the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.